You don't have quality data, it's going to be a little more challenging, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. An absence of data is data. Hello, my name is Brendon Russ. I am the lead in the Americas for reliability and asset management at JLL. Trying to ensure that we have acquired leadership, executive sponsorship for reliability, and how do we sustain that within JLL? Frankly, it is an inherent need. Not just to have leadership to make sure that anything becomes sustainable, but the need for reliability was actually inherent. Everybody knew that they needed it, but trying to articulate it and trying to put it in context of what our goals are, of what we need to accomplish, not only for us as JLL, but for those that we service, became an outright business need. Starting from zero means that you usually have to determine everything. You have to do a little bit of more homework when you're starting from zero. In other words, you have to find the data that supports what you're trying to do. So you can't just come up to your leadership and say, I'd like to do a reliability program. That usually doesn't work out too well. You kind of have to do your homework, understand what does the organization want? How do they choose value? What does value mean to them? Then you have to dig and go through all of the data mining, all the issues, anything you're actually trying to work on or what you're trying to achieve from a reliability standpoint, and find out what can I do to service that value? How do I increase that value, whatever that is, right? So if you're trying to establish a reliability program, you have to sell the need for reliability in general. And that gets back to understanding the value of the organization and how you can prove what you're trying to do adds to that value or increases that value. So don't focus on necessarily you want to do an RCM program. Focus on the need for an RCM program using the data that's there. You can use the fact that you don't have quality data to support putting in a reliability program to get quality data. Or if you don't even have data at all, if no one's actually utilizing any of your systems to get you the data in the first place, that's still a data point. Don't forget that.